So here's Cara Artist app. It's a new viral app. Let's just take a look at it. So here's how it's called: Cara Art and Social, built by Cara project team. It's right now, it's crazy. It's in number 6 app in the US App Store. Maybe it will change, maybe it go up or go down, but people say it's kind of like a new Instagram. So it's a social networking and portfolio platform for artists by artists. Connect with peers and followers, share your work, and find industry jobs for AI and award-winning studios. Tired of AI-generated content? Our AI detector automatically filters out AI images from user portfolios. Explore our community to discover new art and discussions. So one of the best features of this app is like how it interacts with AI scraping. So first, on the one hand, by default, this app blocks AI scrapers from training on visuals and design in this app. On the other hand, it blocks AI content, and you only can see human content. So this app for me is a mix of Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So basically, you have this app which looks like Instagram, but here it's mainly focused around art creators who just put their work here, put their portfolio, and then you can be discovered by employers. So yep, that's the idea, but it looks like Instagram and super easy to start with. So also like share images, GIFs, and embed videos and sketch fab links. AI image detector, so you can find non-AI art easily. Customize what shows on your home feed. Glaze integration to protect your images from style mimicry. Keep track of people you meet at events with QR meets. Job listings from award-winning studios, direct messages. So basically, here is the app, and super easy to create an account. And this is how it looks like. This is your feed. There are a bunch of posts. Like here it is, like from some designers and art hobbyists and professionals. You just see a lot of like anime and some nice images. Then you can like, comment, repost, share. You can copy a link to that. So that's how it looks like. You can create your own post in the bottom right if you tap the plus icon. So yeah, if you tap on here, then for example you can just add photos, and then for example let's just do a test image. So you just added it here, and then in the bottom right you have the option to add it like your portfolio. So by selecting your portfolio, you will present this specific image to potential employers. And then description, and then field medium, search up to, and then you select here project type, and then categories, whatever. So just what you need, and then software used as well, which you can also add it here. And then that's what it is. There are some guidelines also which you can take a look, and then you can post up to 5,000 characters, and then you just tap to post here. So that's just basically the idea of it. All right, so something is buggy here, but anyhow, you will see then these images appearing in your portfolio. Something like that. And then there is your timeline. This is just the images you're posting. You can then go and edit, delete, copy link. So yeah, kind of that's the idea. As I understand that you are just posting these links, and then employers can discover you as a promising artist on this app. Then in about section, it's really important to update your job availability, such as you have on LinkedIn, open to work. Then you have also likes, and then you also have meet with others. And then here you have your settings in top right. So there you have your settings. You edit your profile, your display name, email, username, website, bio, profile view settings. That's how you discover it. In the bottom, you can also go and delete your account. In the bottom, you can see muted users and blocked users. So if you're not happy, you can easily delete your account. Here is your username. By the way, I really recommend you to sign up right now and just to reserve a nice username. Because you know, for example, I reserved my first name username, which is quite nice. So there you have it. Push notifications, some system information, and that's it basically. So yeah, you can just go in here and see all the details. Then there is some FAQs you can read here. There are multiple account types here. There's portfolio and community account, where in portfolio account you can invite a friend. And yeah, Cara is a portfolio and social network platform for artists in the entertainment industry. Our goal is to provide a community space where artists can connect with one another and be a place where art directors, clients, and art lovers can easily find human artists. Even if you are not a member of the entertainment art industry, we will still welcome you to check out Cara. You can also, invite friends. Again, only if you have this portfolio account. Like, as I understand, this portfolio account just adds some kind of verification badge, that you are a validated user. That's basically it. So more employers can basically see you here. So yep, now there should be a mobile app. You can read here what's their stance on AI art. Unlike other major artist portfolio website and image sharing platforms, Cara automatically implements no AI tags to images uploaded by default. So that's actually one of the main features, as I understand, because it just protects people from scraping and training their AI models based on your images. So that's quite interesting feature. How does AI detection work on Cara? Cara currently uses a third-party service to help automate AI detection and image moderation. My work has been running flag as AI. What should I do? Then you can just reach out to support. Labeling and discussions of AI generated content. Can Cara provide glaze or other watermarking tool to protect my work? So users can currently upload images they have glazed to their portfolios. However, glaze itself requires an enormous amount of computing power to run, and with Cara being a volunteer-led project, we do not have the funds needed to provide this for our users. So yeah, that's the technology called glaze. Here is a system designed to protect human artists by disrupting style mimicry in the training of generative AI models. To use the Cara Glaze dashboard, please visit Cara App Glaze, and they also have this web app which you can use. So yep, I guess that's the idea here. You can also see all the details, and yeah, there are also like direct messages here, notifications, search. So that's the idea. Try it out.